Hello class second, welcome to online classes in Heritage Public School. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. This is your math class. So open your math book, page number 88, division. Divide by repeated subtraction. 20 divide 5. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 divide 5 is equal to 4 times. 4 divide 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Means 1, 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 times. 6 divide 3. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 1, 2. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 times. Okay children, do in your notebook page number 88 and come to next page 89. Divide into equal groups by drawing dot. Draw dots by turn in each box. 6 divide 2. How many dots? 6 dots. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. It means 3 dot and 3 dot. 6 divide 3. How many dots? 6 and divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 2. It means 2 4 6. 2 dots. 8 divide 2. How many dots? 8. 2 4s are 8. It means 4 dot in each box. Okay. Complete this page number 88 and 89. Turn the page. Page number 91. Fill in. 4 divide 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 6 divide 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 3 divide 3. 3 1s are 3, 1. 8 divide 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. It means 4. 10 divide 2. 2 5s are 10. 20 divide 2. 2 1s are 2 and 0. Then 2 10s are 20. 18 divide 3. 3 6s are 18. 5 divide 1. 1 5s are 5. 15 divide 5. 5 3s are 15. 30 divide 5. 5 6s are 30. And 50 divide 5. 5 10s are 50. 35 divide 5. 5 7s are 35. 6 divide 24. 6 4s are 24. 36 divide 6. 6 6s are 36. 28 divide 7. 7 4s are 28. Turn the page. Fourteen divide 2. 2 7s are 14. 16 divide 2. 2 8s are 16. 30 divide 3. 3 10s are 30. And 8 divide 4. 4 2s are 8. Write division fact. 7 multiply 5 is equal to 35. 35 divide 7 is equal to 5. 7 5 is 35. And 35 divide 5 is equal to 7. 5 7s are 35. 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. 12 divide 3 is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12. Then 12 divide 4 is equal to 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Come to next page. Page number 93. 3 5s are 15. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. This is quotient and this is dividend and this is divisor. 5 3s are 15. 7 3s are 21. 9 3s are 27. Okay. Come to page 95. Indian currency. Some Indian coins 50 paise, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Some Indian notes 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Turn the page. Page number 97. Take the change money. 20 rupees note, 10 and 10, 10 and 10, 20. 5 rupees, 2 coins of 2 rupees and 1 coins 1 rupees. 10 rupees, 1 coins 5 rupees, 2 coins 2 rupees and 1 coins 1 rupees to make 10 rupees. 20 rupees, 1 coin 10 rupees and 2 coin 5 rupees. Okay. 50 rupees, 2 note of 20 rupees and 1 note 10 rupees. Come to next page. Tick the match. Question number 2. 50 paise plus 25 paise is equal to 75 paise. 50 paise and 50 paise 1 rupees. 25 paise, 10 paise and 10 paise. 25 and 10, 35. 35 and 10, 45. 20 rupees, 5 rupees and 2 rupees. 20 and 5, 25. 25 and 2, 27. 50 plus 20 and 10. 50 and 20, 70 and 1, 80. 3 rupees is equal to 2 rupees and 1 rupees. 15 rupees is equal to 5 rupees and 10 rupees. 25 rupees is equal to 10 rupees, 10 rupees and 5 rupees. 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 5, 25. 42 rupees, 20 rupees plus 20 rupees and 2 rupees. 20, 20 and 40, 40 and 2, 42. 58 rupees, 55, 55 and 3 rupees. Come to next page. Page number 99. Fill in. 50 paise, 0.50. 1 coin, 1 rupees coin and 50 rupees coin. 1.50. 50 rupees coin and 50 rupees coin. Rate 1. 50 paise, 50 paise and 50 paise. 50 paise and 50 paise, 1 rupees, 1 rupees and 50 paise, 1.50. Turn the page. Adding money. 0 plus 6, 6. 1 and 2, 3. 2 plus 5 plus 5, 10. 2 and 2, 4. 4 and 1, 5. Next, 0 and 0, 0. 2, 3 and 2. 23 rupees and 20 paise. 0, 3 and 6, 9.50. 3 plus 2 5, 2 and 1 3 rupees. It means 35 rupees 9 paise. 5 and 5 10, 5 and 1 6, 6 and 3 9, 3 and 9, 93 rupees and 90 paise. Come to next page, page number 101. Add 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 4 10. It means 1 rupees. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. 5 plus 5 10. We will write 0 and 1 carry. 5 and 1 6, 6 and 4 10. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. 5 and 5 10, 1 and 7 8, 8 and 3 11, 1 and 6 7, 7 and 4 11, 1 and 1 2. It means 21 rupees and 10 paise. Okay children, come to page 103. Subtracting money. 5 minus 0 5, 9 minus 2 7, 5 minus 0, 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 2 3, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 5 minus 4 1 and 7, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0, point. We can't subtract 3 minus 8, so 1 borrow. What's left? 1. 13 minus 8, 5 and 1. It means 15 rupees. We can't subtract 0 minus 5, so 1 borrow to make 10. And what's left? 4. 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 3 1, 2 minus 2 2, and 2 minus 3 minus 2 1. Turn the page, page number 104. 0. We can't subtract. We can't subtract 0. 20 minus 50. This is rupees and paise. So 20 paise minus 50 paise. So borrow 1 rupees. 100 paise. 100 plus 20. 120. 120 minus 50. 0. 120 minus 50 70. 70 rupees and 15 rupees. 15 minus 4 11. Okay children, this is your homework today. Page number 88, 89, 91, 92, 93, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 103 and 104. This is your homework today. Do in your notebook. Send to us. Goodbye. Have a nice day.